In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Airtable Study Tracker using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This is where you will give Claude the instruction to build your study tracker directly in Airtable through the available integration. Once the chat is open, paste in your prompt exactly as needed. Tell Claude to create a study tracking system directly in your Airtable. Build tables for study sessions and subjects, and include fields for session name, subject, status, progress, study date, duration, notes, and owner. Also ask it to include a structured tracking workflow and make sure everything is fully configured and ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and create the setup. Once that is done, go to Airtable and open your workspace. Inside your workspace, look for the newly created study tracker base. Open it so you can review the structure that was generated. Start by checking the study sessions table. Make sure the table includes all of the expected fields. You should see space for the session name, the linked subject, the status, progress, study date, duration, notes, and owner. Confirm that each field appears correctly and is ready for data entry. Next, open the subjects table. Review the fields there as well and confirm that the supporting structure for your study categories has been created properly. This table should help organize your sessions and connect subjects to individual study records. Once both tables look correct, verify that the tracking setup is working as expected. Test the study date field to make sure it accepts dates properly. Check the duration field and confirm it is formatted in a useful way for tracking study time. Review the progress field and make sure it can be updated smoothly as your work advances. After that, begin adding your study data. Enter a few study sessions and create your subjects so the system becomes practical to use right away. Add names, assign each session to a subject, select a status, update the progress, and include any notes that will help you stay organized. From there, continue using the tracker to monitor your study progress over time. Update sessions regularly. Log durations and keep the status current so your Airtable base stays accurate and useful. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.